Alright guys, what's happening? We are here in this amazing studio somewhere in Paris and we're building up the wheel because some Japanese television is gonna come and they're gonna film me and a Japanese...
Me a little bit too.
Of course,
but
of
not
course.
spinning this time.
Big Boot still in the house and it's apparently gonna be a very famous Japanese actress that wants to learn how to do the Cyr Wheel. And we have a cameraman right here, Jeremy. And then we have a friend visiting. No, you don't want to be in it. Of course, in the vlog you have to be.
Hi guys, so my name is Marco from Switzerland and I wish you good luck today.
Great, I like this. We had some time to warm up and to prepare for what we wanted to show her. Vague. Arabesque.
Learn what your dance teacher told you.
Exactly.
Take the available space.
Take it off. Oh, you don't need more?
Yes. Just like this.
It's hard actually.
Yeah, I know it's hard.
But that one she's got really scared.
So easy.
Yeah.
And then you let it go. That is funny.
That is fun.
She runs around, like moving a bit. Yeah. Okay, do we...
What else? C'est bien là déjà, non?
L'assistant, le réalisateur, c'est la réalisatrice, peut-être le cadre, enchanté.
Before it starts, it is better even if it's short, but to create like a choreography.
Yes.
That she can do.
Yes.
Okay,
No?
so we created that.
Yeah, we have
So we have a
one-
little something that we would teach her to do each movement, and at the end we would, like, she could try to do everything as a little choreography, and you have
Can
something.
you show to her now?
Yes.
Yes.
So we will start with just this manipulation like this.
Yes, it's something we do together.
Wow!
So before showing her the little choreography we had prepared, I actually performed my solo performance for the cameras. Usually we would have done the duo performance, of course, but since Francis was still injured, I did a solo instead.
Wow! いや、なかなかの上腕二頭筋すごいわ、やっぱ筋が違うよ、まず
So not so dangerous.
ありえないぐらい重たいんだけど、重いですね。ベリーベリーヘビー。
So we spent like the next 2 hours to teach her the basics of Cyr Wheel, and like it always is, things seem so much easier than they actually are. So things took very long and she just learned the very, very basic things.
Like this. And at some point you gotta go in front and then you switch your hand.
Wow!
Okay?
Oh!
Switch. And then you go around.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
And you can go. Now we're gonna do with one hand.
Oh!
Okay? Okay? So you start here. You do the same thing. And when it goes, you're gonna use this hand here. So you push under, under. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes!
Push. Yeah.
Push!
Good, it's good.
So,
でっかい犬に散歩されてるような感じね。はい。
And then you just go and slowly turn. And then once you turn faster.
わー
Yes, really nice, very good.
No, no, no.
then you go. Go and then forget. take it, but quickly push it again. And up. Yes!
So you just push and you stay always on this side. Yes. Yes, that's it, that's it. And you will come from outside and you will go in the middle. And a circle. And you try to go in the middle like this. And then you just wait. Look at the circle. Here. Exactly. Yes. It's just filled out. That's good. Here, place.
Here?
Yeah.
Here? Here?
Sit it down.
Here? No, no, no! No!
It's okay. It's oh yeah.
Okay, here?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Here?
Yes.
Why? Here? Here?
So there came the point where the television team wanted her to do more dangerous and more complicated things because everything she did looked so simple. And where we were really trying hard to find moves that you could do that looked good but that were not hard to do. And we tried to spin with her or make her spin so that she didn't have to actually do the whole work herself. But it was really, really hard. And finally we managed to come up with a little choreography. But I think nobody was really, really satisfied with it. So this is how it went.
Two movements that she is more involved.
Involved, okay.
Do you want to see it?
Yes,
Maybe
yes,
we see if it's interesting. Just keep it there. Okay? So you can step.
Yes.
And step.
And left.
Yes. And go. Okay. Okay. So you can go bigger. Yeah. Okay.
And you just stay. Don't get out.
Okay. And you want to stay strong. Just one move. Okay?
Strong,
Okay. 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 Here.
Stay. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And step. Okay.
Mama, there you go.
We created a choreography, it's a trio, and we're just gonna do it and perform for the Japanese TV.
Thank you.
It's hard.
Yes, it's very, very hard.
To the Japanese public that this is very difficult.
This act is very
カ
difficult.
メラにわーわー言ってる人もいるかもしれないから。
This is very, very difficult.
This act needs a lot of strength.
妹すごい。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。
So we just got out of this massively amazing moment. It was really cool. And it was a great discovery for us, working with some Japanese crew to create this TV show. Something we're very excited to see what it's going to give and how it's going to look on TV. We've got told that it's going to be broadcast on Sunday night at 8 in Japan, so there might be a lot of people watching that. Well, at least that's what we've got told.
That's what she said. She said 20 million people are watching this.
So it's actually, I think maybe it's a funny show. Well, I don't know. We don't know exactly what is the essence of this show yet, but we're gonna find out with the final product. It was just fun. It was a fun day, a fun And that's just what happened in our in this kind of work. Sometimes you just get an email and they're like, "Hey, how about this project?" And
it was special, I would say.
Yeah.
But it was fun.
I want to say a very special apology to my very good friend Marco, who who unfortunately had to wait longer with us because he came to visit and we were supposed to do something else today, but then it was longer than expected.
He had the experience of Japanese television.
Yeah, and that is a once in a life thing.
Yes, that's true. So we're gonna show you right here what this whole thing actually made up.
続いてはアーティスティックなパフォーマンスに挑戦。それがこちら。
輪っかの中で今演技が始まってますね。
こちらは鉄でできた輪を使って行うシルホイールというパフォーマンス。フィギュアスケートなどと同様、芸術性を競い合うスポーツでもあり、世界中で競技が行われている。
わあ、すごいすごいすごいすごいすごいすごい。
いとも簡単にやってのけているが、ご覧のスピンを5分以上も続ける。
これ筋力すごい。
背中これ。
背中が
すごい。すごい。綺麗やな。綺麗。すごいな。すごい。ブラボー。素晴らしい。準備はいい？ちょっと準備はいい。一回さ、これも持ってみてもいい？うわ。
重いんだ。
重いの？めちゃくちゃ重たい。ありえないぐらい重たいんだけど、重いですね。
こちらのホイールの重さは実に16キロ。見事、なんとかものにしようと頑張るが。
でっかい二塁に散歩されてるような感じ。
結果、4時間練習したが、できたパフォーマンスは。
いやでも
これだけ。
木本さんしんどいよ。ギターのチョイスもちょっとこれから考えてくれるかな。
それならば見事にもできそうなアートパフォーマンスを。
We hope you enjoyed this little moment. We're gonna give you kisses from Paris, and we hope you are well and stay tuned.
See you guys soon.
Ciao, ciao.